Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. So continuing with our Snapchat tutorial series, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Snapchat can't sign in problem that you might face sometimes. So before we get to that, I'd like to ask you guys to please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. So if I open Snapchat right now, as you can see, I have no problem signing into the account or anything. But sometimes while using Snapchat, what might occur is you are not able to log in. So when that happens, the first thing that you'd like to do is check your internet connection. So you would like to check, go to your settings, go to your Wi-Fi and see if you're connected to a good Wi-Fi account or Wi-Fi or not, if your connection is stable. And if you're on cellular data, make sure that your connection is stable there too. So how you can do that is go to your browser and open up a site, and if it loads up well, you know that it's not a problem of your internet connection. Now the second thing you can do is just restart the app. So you would like to just try restarting the app and then opening it again, and to see if you can log in or sign in now. And if this also does not work out for you, what you can do is go to Play Store or your App Store, and here you'll search for the Snapchat app. And then if you have any updates here, it might be some problems with the app. So if you update it, and this bug might go as well. So with the older versions, there are different bugs associated with the app. So you need to make sure that you're an updated version. So if none of this works out for you, if you're connected to a good connection and you're in the updated version, what you can then try is Google and see if the Snapchat server is down. And if that's the case, all you can do is just wait it out until they bring back up their servers, and then you'll be able to log in. So at that point, you can do nothing, and all you have to do is wait for Snapchat to solve that problem on their own. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you fix Snapchat can't sign in problem. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below. Please leave a like if you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.